What is the fractional value represented by the digit 5 in the number 37.564? Have a go yourself, and I'll show the solution on the next slide. We will start off with the number 37.564, and I'm going to produce a grid. And the first row of this grid will be filled up with the place values for the digits that are in the number. And we will start off with 10, then 1, then tenths, then 100ths, then 1000ths. And you can see where this decimal point is. To the side here you have fractional values, and to this side of the decimal point you can see you have whole numbers. And it's worth pointing out that this is 10 times bigger than 1. 1 is 10 times bigger than a tenth. A tenth is 10 times bigger than 100th, and so on. We now place the digits in their appropriate column. For this question, we are interested in digit 5, which we can see is in this column here. Now, this tells us we have 5 lots of 1/10. So this can be written, as you see here, equal to 5 over 10. Now, of course, 5 over 10, the 5 and the 10 share a factor of 5. So we can say this is equal to 5 divided by 5 and the 10 divided by 5. And of course, 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this will cancel down to 1 over 2, which is a half. So the fractional value of the digit 5 in the number we're looking at in this video is 1/2.